Welcome to Chicago, home to one of the most iconic public artworks in the world, the famous Cloud Gate sculpture, also known as the Bean. Located in the heart of Millennium Park, this massive stainless steel masterpiece attracts millions of visitors every year with its futuristic design and stunning reflections of the Chicago skyline. Designed by internationally renowned artist Anish Kapoor, Cloud Gate was officially unveiled in 2006 and quickly became one of Chicago's most photographed landmarks. The sculpture weighs over 100 tons and is made from polished stainless steel plates seamlessly welded together to create a mirror-like surface. Its unique curved shape reflects the city's skyline, clouds, and visitors from every angle, creating a surreal visual experience that changes throughout the day. Whether viewed during sunrise, sunset, or at night with the city lights glowing around it, Cloud Gate offers a completely different perspective every single time. Love walking underneath the sculpture, where the reflective chamber creates fascinating distorted reflections and incredible photo opportunities. This interactive art installation has become a symbol of modern Chicago and a must-visit destination for tourists from around the world. Millennium Park itself is one of the most vibrant attractions in downtown Chicago. Surrounded by skyscrapers, gardens, fountains, and cultural landmarks, the park offers an amazing urban atmosphere, perfect for sightseeing and photography. From aerial views, Cloud Gate looks even more spectacular, reflecting the dramatic architecture of Chicago and the constantly moving clouds above the city. The contrast between the shiny metallic surface and the surrounding skyline creates a cinematic scene that captures the beauty of Chicago perfectly. If you are planning a trip to the United States, visiting Cloud Gate should definitely be on your travel bucket list. It's free to visit, open year-round, and easily accessible from many of Chicago's top attractions. Thank you for watching this aerial journey over Cloud Gate and downtown Chicago. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stunning travel destinations, drone footage, and cinematic city views from around the world. Comment below and let us know which city or landmark you would like to see next on this channel. Until next time, keep exploring, keep traveling, and keep discovering the beauty of our world from above. See you in the next adventure.
On hold.